Alright guys, this is Chevalier here, and today we'll look at how you create a button and assign a macro to it. The first thing we have to do is click on the Develop tab and go to this ribbon. Then we click on the button here and make a big ass button. Call the name My First Awesome Button in lack of better name. Click OK, and you can see we have a name here. You can actually edit the name of the visual button here. Like, I'm just writing the same again. Then we need to make a macro, because right now it doesn't do anything. You can see it doesn't want to do anything. That's because there's not assigned any macros to it. So we need to create a macro, and the way we do that is click on macros here, give the macro name, My First Macro. Click on the plus here. Then we get to a menu, Visual Basic Editor, and it's here you can assign some functions different part of Excel should do. And in this case we want the button to do something. And in this case I want the button to go to range 1, the field here, range A1, this field. You can put more range into it, more fields into this range if you want to, but I'll get into that in another video. Then set the value of this field A1 to VBA awesomeness. So that's what I want to do. So close this down, I right click on the button here, I assign the macro. My first macro function here was created before, so I assigned the button the macro function. I click OK. And now when I click on the button in field A1, it should show the text VBA awesomeness. So it works. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more and learn more about VBA coding, please subscribe and keep watching. Thank you.